Hey team, Audrey here along with
Handsome.
We thought it would be really cool if we role play for you guys. I'm going to be me and he's going to be someone that I met on Instagram. Now my usual Instagram process is that I'm not going to invite someone off the bat to a challenge group. I'm going to like the pictures for a while. You know, it's like dating. You got to flirt a little bit with the people.
You got to like pics, you got to do little comments like, oh, nice squat.
Exactly. And you're not going to be looking really for fitness people. You're going to be looking for the people that have the same interests as you. So Handsome, for example, loves food and loves music. So what's he going to look for? He's going to look for people that are into food and into music. And he's going to be commenting with them. So let's say Handsome commented on one of my pictures and he asked me about a challenge group. What I'll usually do is that I'm going to be like, okay, cool. Inbox me on Facebook. Tell me more about you. So I'll get the general info from him on Facebook. And then in Facebook, I'm going to say, hey, you know, I would really like to speak to you over the phone and kind of put a voice to this so I can learn more about you.
She must dig me. That's the first thing I would think.
Don't tell my husband.
Exactly.
So you ready, Frank?
Like hot spaghetti.
Okay, so I'm calling Frank. Pick up.
Hello?
Hey, Frank, how are you?
Hey, how are you? This is weird. I never talk to anybody off of Facebook. This is like borderline creepy. What's up?
Well, I'm so glad.
Is that a monster in the background?
Yeah, I have a monster in my. We keep him in the jungle.
Interesting.
Yeah. Oh my God. So thank you so much for taking the time to talk to me. How are you?
I'm well, you know, doing push-ups.
Doing push-ups. Are you really into fitness?
Yeah, I would say so.
So what is it exactly that you were looking for?
Me, I'm just trying to figure an easier way to get things done in terms of exercising. Yeah, figure new things out. I like trying everything. I try different programs, different exercises, different diet plans. Just my style.
Okay. Now, I was looking at your Instagram. What do you do? You're a car salesman?
I work in the car sales business. Yes, I'm not a car salesman. I consult people on purchases and leases, and they purchase it by their own decision.
Oh, okay. And how do you like that?
I don't.
You don't like it? Why?
Because I hate people.
You hate people?
Yes.
Wow, so I'm really honored you're taking the time to talk to me right now.
It's different. I hate people that purchase cars. Other than that, it's all good.
Okay, but what do you like about your job?
Silly, but the fact that there's a lot of different people to deal with.
Okay, so you hate people, but you love dealing with people.
Yes, I love the challenge of being able to take people down.
Take people down. Wow. Okay.
I can't lie. You know what? I just realized I really do like that challenge. It's awesome.
Okay, that's good. I'm glad you like your job. Now, like, what hours do you work?
Oh, I'm in the car business. So now in the summer season, probably about 60 hours a week.
Okay.
If not more.
So, do you have a girlfriend? Are you married?
No, no one loves me. I'm unlovable.
You're unlovable. I'm gonna have to find you a girlfriend.
Do you have a girlfriend?
I'm actually married with 2 kids.
Oh, conversation ender! I'm just playing with you.
Okay, well, maybe my husband could be your coach if this works out.
Maybe not.
Hi! Sure, sorry, guys. My kids are still up.
Okay, we go.
Okay.
Hi! Alright.
Wow.
High jump. He must work out.
That's my kid. So, 60-hour weeks. So, 60-hour weeks. So, that must be really tough. How do you maintain your whole fitness routine and eating clean? How do you make that work?
I've been off schedule lately, and I'm getting fat and sluggish, and I overdid it on July 4th.
You overdid it, I know. Tell me about it. With the barbecues and the gorgeous weather this weekend.
Yeah.
So how do you want to feel?
I want to feel clean and sexy.
And what do you think it's going to take for you to get there?
Dedication, focus, and yeah, dedication and focus, pretty much.
Hey.
Lost all focus.
Hey, mommy.
Not dedicated.
Mommy.
So hard.
Mommy.
So do you?
Okay, go ahead. Open it with touch. Come on, let's do it. Teamwork.
So what kind of workouts do you like? Do you prefer cardio or strength training?
Strength.
Strength training. Oh, me too. Love the weights. So, are you going to the gym now?
No. I have muscle memory.
Yeah, that's the good thing about men. You guys snap back right away. So you go to the gym or no?
Nah, I have no time.
You don't have time to go to the gym. Why? You're just really tired probably after a long day at work, huh?
Usually exhausted. Don't want to get up in the morning because I'm exhausted from the day before, and it's just tough. Because then I got to get home, prep food, do all this stuff, then hit the gym, come back. It's too much work.
And do you get to hang out a lot with friends?
I actually do.
That you make time for, huh?
Yeah, they come to my job.
Okay, so you want your friends to come to you.
Yeah, I want everything to come to me.
Okay. Well, let me tell you something. I actually think that you would be a great candidate for my next challenge group because...
Challenge group? What's a challenge group?
Okay. So a challenge group is a private accountability page where you're going to be in a group with other people, like a lot of different people that you could actually meet and become friends with. The bond that you create is actually pretty awesome. You're all on this journey together and you all motivate each other. So it's a private accountability page where you all check in, talk about your meals. You can even share your own tips with them since I know you really love to help people. So you can share your tips with them. You can post pictures of yourself after you work out. And you're going to weigh in every Monday with a picture of the scale. So that motivation and the accountability, it's going to come in at that point.
How much is this thing?
Well, that all depends. We have what's called challenge packs, which gives you the best deal for your money. So you get a fitness program you could actually do at home. So don't even bother with the gym because you can come home, do it on your own time.
Like Jane Fonda?
No, this is so much better. This is so much better.
Are you sure? Because that's a little not me. Jane Fonda workouts.
Well, I could tell you all you need to do is try it out. And if you're not happy with it, you get your money back within 30 days.
Okay.
But why not give it a try?
Mommy, I got ice cream.
Okay.
Ice cream?
Okay. So the challenge pack is actually a program, like I was telling you, that you do it at home, so you don't even have to worry about being tired at the gym.
I got another ice cream.
Yo, we're on a call right now. You can't even call.
I don't know who's calling me.
Bobby, give me 5 minutes, okay? So
Hello?
Hi.
We're gonna finish up now.
Oh, you're calling me. This is awkward. I'm recording a video and I thought it was by mistake. Can I call you back in 2 minutes?
I'm calling you.
Oh, you're calling me? Guess my phone did it by accident. I'm calling you? I'm so sorry. Oh!
What are you doing?
I'm pretending to talk. This is so funny. You're going to be a cameo in my video. So, I'm recording a video for you guys to show you how I talk to people. This is one of my coaches, guys. She's going to make a cameo in my video. I had the phone like I was pretending to talk.
Alright, get back to your video.
Okay, I'm going to tag you in this one.
Thank you. Bye.
Bye. Okay, so I need to stop using my phone next to my ear because I called
It
somebody.
was kind of silly anyway because I'm right here.
Yeah. So this fitness program, this is the worst video ever.
That's not. I'm in it.
So this fitness program, it really depends on what you want to achieve next.
How long is this thing?
It really depends. It depends on your challenge pack. Because I want to match you to a program that's going to help you meet your goals, that's going to match your lifestyle, be quick, so you're in there and you get out. And you're going to...
Am I going to get a 6-pack?
That depends on how...
I need a 6-pack.
I'm glad you bring that up because that's going to depend on your nutrition. And your challenge pack also comes with Shakeology, which is a super healthy meal replacement shake. That it's not going to help you lose weight, but it's just going to help your body function better, so you're going to feel better.
How many times a day?
1 time a day.
That would be my question.
Okay. So the challenge packs range from $205 to $140, depending on what you need. And actually, based on everything you're telling me about...
A month?
No. Just to start off with.
Oh, okay.
Mm-hmm. And so based on everything that you're telling me, I think that the best bet for you would be P90X3. because it involves some strength training, but it also has some cardio work, which is really going to help strengthen your core.
Six-pack.
Exactly.
Six-pack abs.
Getting for that six-pack. And it's only 30 minutes a day. So you can come in, do your work, and you don't really need a lot of extra equipment. You do need a pull-up bar, some resistance bands, but most of it is your own body weight. So what do you say?
Send me the information. I'm going to look more into it. This is what you get?
Okay. Well, actually, my challenge group starts next Monday, and I only have 2 spots left, and I kind of need to know now because I have 3 people that want to sign up.
All right, cool. Send me information. I'll sign up.
Okay, so what I'm actually going to do...
30 days.
You have 30 days to return it if you don't want it. What I'm going to do is I just need to know your email address and the flavor of Shakeology that you want to try. I'm going to send you a customized email, and you just complete enrollment.
Awesome.
Just make sure that you do it right away because I'm actually going to start you on a 3-day cleanse in which you are just going to detoxify your body, and you can lose some of those pounds that you gained during this July 4th weekend.
Need to.
All right, I'm so excited for you that you're going to sign up.
I'm more excited.
Hey!
I want 6-pack.
Hey, I
And
I want to look like that old man in those P90X commercials.
Oh my God.
That's awesome, Bobby. You're a man. That's my boy.
So, just make sure that you complete enrollment right away so I can get you started on that cleanse.
Let's do it.
All right, so I just closed you. How did you feel in that process? Did you feel like I asked you the right questions? Did you feel like I was pushing too hard?
No, because I asked the same questions I would normally ask anybody.
Mm-hmm.
No, you were good. You just answered the questions.
Mm-hmm.
I'm going to be honest with you. I'm not a hard sell.
Mm-hmm.
I'm not the person who's going to be like, against the wall, I'm either going to do it or I'm not.
Mm-hmm.
So, but yeah, felt good.
What did you like about that process?
That it wasn't pushy.
Okay.
It's the same way I sell cars.
Did you learn anything? Or do you want to give them any tips on anything that stood out to you in that process?
No. I mean, like I said, the 30-day money-back guarantee thing, that's pretty much something I always forget.
Mm-hmm.
And it's something that would be a big, like, person like me, if I have that, I don't play that shit. Like, day 29, I send it back. Day 29, I'm on the phone with, like, yo, hey, how you doing? This is Coach Relations, blah, 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 whatever. And I send it back. I've done it before. I'm not cheap. I'm just not going to keep something I don't want.
Mm-hmm.
So, yeah, that's a big, for me, that's a big seller. Well, yeah. I think I can do the same thing.
Okay, guys. So that's what you need to do. And make sure that you listen to your prospect and what he told me. So he needed something quick. He was tired. He loves people. So that's why my challenge group is a big...
Mommy, I got both of them.
Great. So that's why my challenge group is great for him because you can sell him on meeting new people in the challenge group. And actually, he wanted to know how much it was, and I sold him the most expensive challenge pack. Why? Because I told him that it's going to fit his needs. I listened to him first, found out more about him, his lifestyle, what his time's like, what he likes to do, and I just gave it right back to him and told him all the reasons why that challenge pack fits what he needs. All right, guys? Hope it helped. Hit us up with questions.